H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys, how we are different from our competitors. 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus, one-time fee and lifetime access to classes, access to recorded sessions of live classes. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For a free demo class, visit us at h2kinfosys.com.
Say client said that there are 50,000 users, and say client, in the application, say we have these three scenarios like create order, modify order, delete order. Okay, and the client has said, client or business analyst, okay, said that create order would be executed with 35,000 users, modify order will be 10,000 users, delete order 5,000 users. Okay, out of 50,000 it has been said that like this. Okay, now here say for example, this is in terms of 50,000 users. Say client has said that, 1 minute. During say Jan 2013, I mean during as plan of during Jan 2013, they expected that the 50,000 users might be accessible application an average per day. Okay, during Jan 2013, I mean at that time they estimated that their application will be used by 50,000 users, and that users will be, distribution of the users will be like this. And assume during the Jan 2014, say they estimated that there will be 1 lakh users. Okay, there will be 1 lakh users, and this will be it will be double of the numbers. When say they estimated that it will be double of the numbers. Say it is something like it is basically say during this time they assume that 5,000 users, and during this time they assume that 1 lakh users are there. So the distribution of the users is being like this. I mean it is being doubled from 1 year on year. Say they assume now, they also find out that the distribution of the users will be double year on year. Okay. So here from 1 year to the other year, say the distribution of the users has been increased. It is going to be double over here. Okay. In this case, say this is a kind of a without percentage mode. Say if you are following a without percentage mode, what you have to do, you have to open your scenario, and as from year to year, this number is being changing here. Okay. Earlier we had a 50,000 users, you had these numbers. During this one, again if you want to test your performance testing, what you have to do, you have to open your scenario, you have to update these numbers. This is all without percentage mode. Say for example, if you have a percentage with percentage mode. So for example, if you have a percentage mode, what you would have say here, you would be saying that 70% and some 20%, 10% like this. So here in future you don't need to touch this scenario here. In future if you would have mentioned with percentage mode, okay, you don't need to touch your scenario. What you have to touch, you just need to touch this number only. You just need to update this number. You don't need to touch at the virtual user level. Now see here, it might be 50,000 users. It might be 1 lakh users. Okay, it might be any number of users. It's simply driven by a percentage. So in total it is going to take the percentage. Automatically the scenario will decide in total what is the percentage that you want over here. Okay, so every time at the virtual user level you don't need to update the numbers over here. Okay, just this number you need to update. Now if you see here, say here currently there are 10 users. By default it took 10 users, and the 10 users distribution is happening like this. Say for example here I am expecting that this is a 70%. Okay, so this becomes 70 and this becomes 30 automatically, and moreover it means out of 10 users 7 users will be worked on the special scenario, and the remaining three users will be worked on the special scenario. I mean, not scenario, sorry, this particular script. Okay, so 70% of the users, it might be 10, it might be 5, it might be 20, it might be any number. In that number, that distribution will happen like this. Okay, 70% of the users will work on this particular scenario, and 30% of the of the users will work on this particular scenario. Okay, so which is preferable? Which is preferable? With percentage mode, without percentage mode? Yep, that is correct, Suvarna, and that is correct, Ravan. Yep, it is preferable to use with percentage mode. Okay, so it is better to use with percentage mode over here. Okay. Yep. I know it's with percentage mode. It is preferable to use with percentage mode, because you don't need to touch your scenario anytime. I mean, at the group level, I mean at the V users level, you don't need to touch your script. Automatically, it is going to distribute based on the percentage. And however, say if this, whenever this number changes, say if this number also going to change, maybe in that case, without percentage mode may be good. But say in general, most of the times, the user group, I mean the number of users, the number of load, the user load will be distributed based on the percentage. Okay, so generally client or business analysts say that out of X users, some 80% percentage of the users will work on one functionality. Some 5% users will work on one functionality. Like that, they will be giving some numbers over here. Okay, so we'll be mentioning these numbers. We'll be mentioning these percentages over here. Fine. This is all about with percentage mode. Okay. Now, however, during execution, we'll try to run them. We'll try to run. Yeah, see, we need to mention some load generators, and moreover here, let me mention some 4 users only. And here, let me mention a load generator. Sorry, this one. It is localhost. Did you all remember? Localhost means which is going to generate the load from my machine. Now, everyone observe. First of all, there is something called different statuses of a virtual user. Okay, so first it will be in down. Why it is paused? But it is directly saying that paused, and directly it comes to this particular stages. I think in this particular scripts, I think it does not have anything. Probably we'll do something. We'll create 2 scripts. Everyone observe. Now we'll create 2 scripts on this dummy application, on the sample application, and we'll try to have some transactions, okay, so that we can understand practically all these things. 1 minute. I hope everyone of you remember how to open the sample application. Come on. But before this, we need to start a server, right? Oh, I think I had a issue with my browser, right? Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, last class I have used Islam's machine. We'll give you a try for one more time. But however, if you observe, among these number of users, now if you look at here, we said 70-30. So here I have mentioned 4 users. So this 4 users distribution, I mean among the 4 users, 3 users is being allocated for the first group over here, and the 1 user is being allocated for this group. However, here it is not 75 and it is not 25, but still it is given more preference for this, because if you mention here, say if it is going to be 2 and 2, what will happen? It is going to be 50% and 50%, right? So that is the reason 3 users is been allocated for this particular scenario, and 1 user is been allocated for this scenario over here. So as I said, percentage is preferable. So when you try to create a new scenario, everyone observe here, where to choose a scenario here. I mean, where to choose. Let me say this particular scenario. Now everyone over here, this is the place where you need to select the use percentage mode. Okay, by selecting the manual scenario,